Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Merchant Center for Shopify feeds, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section from the admin dashboard. In the Apps section, locate and open the Google Channel app. If you haven't already installed the Google Channel app, follow the prompts to add it to your Shopify store. Once inside the Google Channel, select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, look for the Connect Google Merchant Center section. Click on the Connect button. This action will redirect you to a Google sign-in page. Sign in using the Google account associated with your Google Merchant Center. After signing in, grant the required permissions by clicking Allow. You will now be redirected back to the Google channel in Shopify. Check for confirmation that your Google Merchant Center is successfully connected. Next, set up your product feed for Google Merchant Center. Within the Google channel, go to the Product Listings section. Review the products listed and ensure they meet Google Merchant Center requirements. For any products that need adjustments, click on the product name to edit. Make any necessary changes and save the updated information. After verifying your product listings, navigate to the Listings tab within the Google channel. Here, you can find the status of your products and any issues that need attention. If any issues are present, click on the error for detailed instructions on how to fix them. Once your product feed is configured, enable Inventory Sync to keep your product details updated. Return to the Settings section in the Google channel and select Inventory to enable this option. Confirm the sync settings to ensure your store's inventory reflects in the Google Merchant Center. Finally, monitor your Google Merchant Center for any notifications or updates. With these steps completed, your Google Merchant Center is now fully authorized for Shopify feeds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.